Hello internet, welcome back to another live stream. This is the 6th episode of becoming a musician. That's why we're getting inspired from this Galactic Rat Mafia 2 Rat Fathers Revenge Boogie mix. So this is what we're playing. I'm not kidding. This is the literal name of the mix, and yeah, I'm just enjoying the grooves, man. Transistor Egg, what's up? What's poppin'? All right, I got my water. You know how it is. This is actually not the apple water, but what are you gonna do, man? You cannot get all the things in life at once. I have some mid water, but we'll have some good code today, I hope. Probably not. Made strawberry and rhubarb pie today. I need to look up what rhubarb is. Okay, that looks fancy, dude. That sounds very fancy. Cooking channel gonna be fire, absolutely. I'll be happy to be a guest on your cooking channel. That would be great. When I finally visit you in real life, I mean, I hope you exist in real life, but you know, when I do that, I just want to like have a cooking stream. Not like Rust, or not like programming or tech or anything boring like that. We're just gonna go to the kitchen, wear the fucking aprons. That sounds so gay, but wear the aprons and just cook something. That would be a nice stream. Let's do it, man. So today we have this little fella over here that we'll try to use in our Twitter adventures. Let me actually turn down the volume a little bit. It's too high for my taste. Naked apron style rat cooking. No, please no. But yeah, let's do one day, man. So we're gonna try to cook something with this. I don't have my apron, but we're gonna cook something. I'll try to run the demo, Ratatouille demo on it, and it's gonna be probably very painful because last time I did this, I think it was episode 4, I basically lost my mind because it was not building, and then I realized I was missing some saw name for the libxml shit like that. I don't know, like it was so painful. Anyways, but I think I have the setup now for this, I hope, and we can try it out. Actually, I moved my files from my home directory to another directory because it was just taking so much space. Well, did I actually do that? I don't remember. Oh, I didn't do it. It's still in Twitter, I think. Let's see. Do I have the target folder? Yeah. No? Oh, wait. What? Where's my target folder? Yeah. Oh, it's in here. Yeah. Okay. I have the target folder. Good evening, Orhun. How's it going? I'm doing fine, man. I'm just grinding as always, trying to do some stuff with this little fella, I hope, and just vibing, man. Just vibing to the music we're playing. I'm gonna read the title again: Galactic Rat Mafia Rat Fathers Revenge Boogie or something like that. There's like the thumbnail is just okay. I can actually play this over here so that you can see it. Look at this guy, man. We're just vibing with this music today, and yeah, just working on stuff, man. How are you doing, Trinox? What's poppin'? Subscribe to the channel. They put on good background music. Yeah, I don't know about this one. The other one was like the Stellar Cruise one. This is pretty good. I don't know about this one. This is the first time that I'm trying out some rat fodder stuff today. But yeah, that looks good. It's not the rat theme. Like not all the mixes are rat themed, but it's alright, it's alright. So I'm gonna show you what I was doing last time while I was doing this. We have... Wait, what did I change in the main file? I don't even remember. Frequency chart. Yeah, this was not working. Yeah, this was just broken. Maybe let me put this in a better broken shape, because I want to actually use it, but I don't want to like commit a fully broken thing. I want to commit a half broken thing. So I'm gonna fix the breakness, breakness of this. I don't know what I'm saying. The rat fodder, yeah, man. I need to change this to 2, I think, and then I can go ahead here, 3. So I have three tabs now. This is the amplitude, this is the frequency graph, this is supposed to be like frequency, but like with the gain, or with the decibels. But this is completely broken. I don't know why. Maybe I'll fix this later, but I don't want to lose my progress, so I'm gonna go ahead and commit this. It's a bit bad. Needs fixing. So I'm gonna add a to-do here. To-do needs fixing. Alright. Let's go and add this thing now. I guess it's a feat. It's a half-finished feature, but it's a feat. So is this on GitHub? Yes, I'm about to send a link to you. One second. Okay, draw frequency charts. I guess that's enough. Explanatory enough. So push, and it's here. I don't know why I have like 8 stars on this. Like it's basically like a super work in progress project. But anyways, I'm gonna send a link if you want to try this out and fix the freaking frequency chart. That would be appreciated, Trianox. A little note: you might need to change the device if you want to try this out. I'm right now like using my Pipewire device, but you can change it. Yeah. So yeah, just note that. Subscribe, star, and PR. That should be the freaking. That should be. I should probably put that text somewhere. You know, keep that in mind. Star and PR, that's really important. No, like subscribing, that's fine, but like starting and PRing is, I think, more important. So okay, we did that. I'm gonna fully focus on the embedded part of this repo today. Nice, I will clone and try it on my machine. Cool. That's appreciated. And I will try to merge these two projects, like embedded and this one, maybe. Oh man, we have a lot of stuff to do here, but let me actually switch to that directory real quick. I don't think I need some GitHub workflows for this, but cargo. What are the matrix action command? Build fmt clippy. Okay, this will just complain left and right. It's good to have, I guess, but I'll do that later. So cargo config. Oh man, I'm already yawning. What is going on? I'm sleepy. So, okay, this is where the magic happens, right? With mouse foot in, today I found a scientific paper on researching why rodents can't vomit. What? Send me that, I need that. That sounds interesting. I'm like, I'm genuinely curious now since you said that, because like why, you know? Why they cannot vomit? Alright, I'm gonna pull up some docs here. Hello. HM Fakrisa. Welcome, man. What's poppin'? Alright, this thing we probably won't need it. Holy shit, you actually sent the link. Alright, I'm gonna save this here. Why rodents can vomit, a comparative behavioral, anatomical and physiological study. Fucking hell. Damn. Okay, I'm not gonna spoil it. I'm gonna read this later, maybe at the end of the stream. Thanks, Transistoric. That's appreciated. That's just gonna scratch a really special part of my brain, probably. Yeah, alright, so... I don't know why Rust FMT is not working here, by the way. Now we can just delete these things, I think. Also, we don't need the tiny BMP crate. I'm gonna unwrap this. Mutable reference to mutable static. Alright, what was the issue here actually? It's... If I remember correctly, this was happening because I was doing something like this. And then just passing buffer here as a mutable buffer. And it was just complaining about some lifetimes. Yeah. So I got some suggestion for this. I think I can use box leak. I don't know, I'm just trying. Just leak it like this? Can I do that? No. Wait, I need a static one, right? I don't know. Let me listen to the compiler. What is going on here? Okay, row mutable. Okay, whatever. And then it's just complaining. What is this SPI interface? Maybe I can figure this out from the embedded graphics thing, or ESP IDF VC, ESP IDF SVC. There's no docs RS for this. What? That's not great. By the way, I want to I don't want to have the target directory here actually. I'm gonna move this to cargo ESP target. Let me create this target drive cargo ESP target. Not sure if it's gonna work because it was hard coding the target trajectory at some stage of the compilation was failing because of that, but let's see. It's gonna take forever to move. No, it didn't. Okay, cool. So now, it's rebuilding everything. I'm not sure if this is good. Probably not. Oh, I didn't save it, that's why. Okay. Cool, it's building at least. So what I want to do is basically run cargo doc and just build the documentation. I mean, I don't know why we don't have the documentation for ESP IDF thing. But yeah, maybe this is ESP IDF. Is this the crate? Okay, what the hell? This is failing because again, oh, I need to export some stuff probably. Damn. Okay, export this, or I don't know. Try again. Shit, I need to put those things in my bash RC now, because every time I need to build, I need to, you know, export the whatever script that is. It's a bit annoying. Well, let's see if it's gonna build. All right, we got the documentation now. Get the docs. Do I have the ESP IDF? Yeah, cool. I have the docs now. Great. So I was checking the SPI interface. Interface. The buffer is used to gather batches of pixel data to send over SPI. Larger buffers will generally, what the hell? Generally be faster at the expense of using more RAM. The buffer should be at least big enough to hold a few pixels of data. You may want to use static cell to obtain a static mutable buffer. Okay, this is a good note. But how do I do that? Alternative, you can use, if you can use alloc, you can use box leak. Okay, I tried to do that, but it didn't work. Oh, maybe I was not doing it correctly. I'm gonna wipe code it instead of unsafe thing. Use box leak to get this. Alright, we can try this, which is the same thing as what I tried, but didn't work. Alright. Oh, it couldn't find the mbuild directory. Okay, I can just move the mbuild to drive cargo. What? Oh, okay, we have another one. Okay, wait. Just remove this one. Holy shit, 3 gigs already? Damn. What is going on? Let's see if it's gonna build. Of course, it takes forever. But yeah, welcome to the stream, everybody. What's poppin'? Feel free to say hi. And yeah, what up? Okay, something's building. Alright, it's actually building now. That's cool. Alright, so static mute U8 512 bucks leak, whatever, that thing worked. So we have a static reference. Hey, yeah, what up? Hello, Namco, what up? Alright guys, let's hook this up and try to run it. I need to disconnect my video because I'm using like a USB camera and I need the USB port for this, so you're not gonna see me for a while, but maybe I can just enable my laptop video. Shout out to all the lurkers out there. Yeah. Every stream I have some lurkers. Hello Tornax. I'm gonna switch to this thing. Oh my god, it looks horrible. Look at me, you can just see my face barely. Okay, I'm gonna actually add another video capture device for my integrated camera. This looks horrible though. Damn, look at me. Alright, we're gonna second cam, guys. Gonna have this thing over here. Maybe I can just do like this a little bit, or just like sit like this just to make it look better or something. But I'm gonna disconnect the other one and I'm gonna just hide it for now. Move this up here. Hello, we have the author of mouse food over here, man. Welcome, Jake Gouda. I don't know how to pronounce your name correctly, by the way. Probably I fucking butchered it, but sorry. Are you able to see something on my screen? Still doesn't show anything. On your screen, what do you mean? What do you mean? I'm trying to like, wait, I'm trying to like fix my OCD. I'm trying to like make this thing super aligned. Okay. You don't have sticker on it. Big MIT is watching you. As really in the tab, I'm seeing the stream. Okay, cool. Okay. So guys, I have an USB port, empty USB port, so I can just plug this in. Oh shit, my camera is here, sorry. Gonna just do that, and we have some beautiful rectangle. Actually, I can make my video bigger so that you see my face and you see this beautiful rectangle better. Look, it actually says Ratatouille on here, so it's working. And we have, okay, I'm gonna try to run it again. Just run it. Yes. So now it's flashing. I don't know why it takes so much time. I don't know if Jay or Jay Good, or how do I even say your name? Sorry. If you can if you can provide some insights about why this is so slow to flash, because like it's taking forever. I don't like the speed, but whatever. Anything for a tiny rectangle, I guess. Also, I couldn't disconnect the battery because I'm too much of a pussy, and I don't want. Oh shit, this is actually hot. It's getting hot for some reason. Shit, is this broken? Okay, anyways, I couldn't disconnect the battery because I don't want to like force. Okay, some shit's going on. We're getting some red messages, kind of scary. Idle. Anyways, we can go ahead and do more stuff here, I think. So one thing that I want to try out is the new demo that you have worked on, and to find it from here. I'm gonna just close these tabs, repositories, Mousefoot ESP32 demo. This is gonna be amazing if I am able to build it, of course. Let's clone it. Yeah, flashing is slow as fuck on this one. C6 flashes much faster. ESP-C6, what is that? Oh, C6 is another model. Which one is this, by the way? Is this like... I try to read it on the chip, but it doesn't say anything. So I don't know. Yeah, what am I doing? I wanna clone this project. We're gonna run it. No, I'm not gonna actually run it. It's probably gonna just download the entire universe again. To big text, Mousefoot. One is the base one, just ESP30. Okay, cool. It's just the plain one. There's the plain. Alright, this is the same code, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, you're just leaking like me. That sounds so gay, sorry. I mean, leaking the memory. You just have some display config. I don't know, I have this with the other stuff. Yeah, I have it, okay. Button interrupt. Wow, okay. Battery voltage reader. Logo app. What is going on? Why are you running multiple apps here? How does this work? Like, is this just taking terminal and... Is this creating... Like, each one is creating a different loop? Why is that? I'm confused now. Oh, because you're using interrupts, okay. That's probably why. Okay, got it. Interesting. That's very interesting. Pin driver. So it goes to another one. Okay. Oh, so you in a loop you are looping and then you are then yeah. I need to refresh my knowledge on these things. Like, I've used interrupts like probably 10 years ago. ADC driver. This is quite interesting. Is this from ESP crate, or which crate is this? Man, my video sucks so bad. Sorry, but I don't have like enough USB ports to just do everything. Just gotta keep it minimal. Yeah, it is from ESP IDF SVC. I like this structure now since I'm looking into it more and I'm liking it more, I think, but yeah. Each one is a different app. Let's see logo. It's just building the whole universe now. Okay, it's not magic, which is great. I really like this because it's not magic, you know, it's not... I can understand this because it's ratatouille and mouse food. Great. I just realized I haven't checked the documentation of mouse food yet. So what is this providing for us? Prelude. Because I see prelude, but I don't know what it is importing actually. Some colors, some embedded backend, and the rest is just... These are like ratatouille types, I think. Yeah. It would be better if I can just look at the code actually. So from embedded graphics it exports some... These are colors, or what is this? Yeah, colors and wait. Yeah, colors. Sorry guys, I need to make sure. And just embedded backend and embedded backend config. Don't really use Prelude, to be honest. It re-exports to Prelude. I will remove this in next version probably. Yeah. It makes it like a bit implicit to use the library, I think. Oh wait, I'm already running this. Shit. All right, it's flashing. I guess I ran cargo run and I just forgot, but okay, it's now flashing and we're supposed to see some stuff on the screen soon, I hope, if everything goes right. And yeah, it's hella slow. Alright, holy shit. Wow. That's amazing. Guys, look. I don't know how I'm gonna show it to you, but look. It's amazing. So this is interactive. S1, what is S1? Should I just use the buttons on here? It is doing something. It's just rebooting. Something is going wrong. A stack overflow in task main has been detected. Damn. Okay, that's fun. That's satisfying to see. Yeah, look. But when I press the... Wait, I can maybe show it to you here. Oh, I'm frozen here. I'm gonna copy this to here. Make it like... Transform, preset transform. Okay, there you go. It's not focusing, but yeah. I mean, we have the nice... We have a nice main menu or whatever. I can use a one button for this. Which is S1 and okay, S1, S2. It actually says it on the circuit or on the board. Okay, S1. When I press S1, it just reboots, man. It's just like, look, just reboots. And you're seeing my logs already. Alright, maybe I can work on fixing this maybe. Alright, I don't know how to even approach this problem. But Whereas I flashed this on 3 different devices and it works. Corrupted. S1, S2, how do you even specify the button? GPIO 0. Maybe try reflashing. Yeah, I can try. Okay, it reflashed, I guess. Yeah, I'm getting these red messages for some reason. No, it's still crashing. So start CPU, calling app main. And wait, what is app main? App main app. I'm gonna just close all of these things, like disable them. Stack Overflow. Dude, it says Stack Overflow make stack bigger. How do I even make the stack bigger? What do you mean? I mean, if you're talking about cheese stack, or like, you know, if you're talking about money, I already got some fat stacks, but I cannot make these RAM bigger. I'm already getting those fat stacks in my bank account, but this one, I don't know what to do. I mean, I'm literally just using the thing that you gave me. This should work. I trusted you, man. Cannot trust anyone these days. SDK defaults file or something like this. Okay. Can I configure it here? Also needs a bit of an extra main task. Okay. Config ESP main task stack size. What is that? And what I mean, what's the max value that I can use for this? Default value is actually lower than what I'm using. I mean, what's the which value should I try? Like make it twice as big, maybe? I'm gonna just go for 42,000. Let's just break this device, guys. Let's see what's gonna happen. Alright. Nah, it's still crashing. Stack Overflow. Alright, maybe 42,000 was not enough. 420,000, how about that? Dude, I don't even know how this works, but I have a huge stack now, so there's no way that this is crashing still. Well, it's now crashing. Maybe it's crashing for a different reason. No. What the hell? Okay. Okay, look at the SHA 260, 256 value, it's just 0. Alright, I'm stuck. ESP, IDF, RS, Stack Overflow, I guess. RS, yeah. At least I'm not getting Stack Overflow when I do the example, like the other one. Yeah, you can try to put this. Cargo clean, cargo build. No, I'm not cleaning. It's just... Maybe I can clean though. Yeah, I can... No, I cannot. It's just gonna delete all my cache. Oh no, look. Sorry, last time I didn't do cargo clean. Now I clean, rebuild and flash again. The board seems to be bricked. God damn. You can actually brick this thing. Well, I can run the same command and see it for myself. Which port is this? I don't know, maybe this one? No, I don't have the ESP monitor. Okay, whatever. Oh, release mode. Okay, I need to just remove this then and then run it in release mode. Alright, let's try that. I guess when I remove that, it will just use the default value, and using the release mode supposed to make this faster or something. I don't know. Alright, it's just taking forever. I'm gonna give you a star. But this is a pretty good example because it shows how to use the buttons and do like some interrupts and stuff like that, because I will eventually need that. Would be nice to nice to have it running fully as well, so we're just gonna wait for that. If I'm able to run this, my next goal is to yeah, just draw some charts or something. I need to figure out how to hook up the like either some voice like audio input or just the jack from the guitar to this, because yeah, I need to read some data, you know. Well, let's see. Guys, sponsor me on GitHub so that I can buy a faster laptop. Where's my moderator? You're supposed to drop the link for sponsors. Also, I had to like I had this YouTube feature enabled where I can get donations or super chat or whatever. That's now disabled because I cannot, like, this is not about me, this is about YouTube. They're supposed to send me some package that contains some code that I need to enter on like YouTube AdSense or whatever to verify my address. But the thing is, that package never arrives. Like, I talked to multiple people, and none of their like package arrives. So they just send you something and then it never arrives, and then after some point they just give up and just like enable freaking, you know, monetization on your channel. So I don't have any monetization right now because of YouTube's fuck ups, because they're not able to send me a freaking package. But yeah, sponsorships are appreciated at this point. We're doing some heavy grind work these days, like Look at me, I'm just waiting for the compiler. What a grind. I really need to figure out how to remove the battery from this. Okay, it's not running now. And yes, it's working. Cool. So we have a paragraph. I'm gonna show it to you. So, okay. Sorry for the quality, but we basically have... Okay, I'll try to make it bigger. So we have a paragraph. This is a calendar, a little calendar. We have some bar charts. Oh man, this looks amazing. And then it restarts. Well, I actually disabled a bunch of the things here. I need to bring them back. Just pull the cable and it'll be fine. Okay. Okay, I trusted you. If something happens, that's... If this thing blows up, that's now on me. I'm gonna just pull it. Okay. I pulled the cable, so it went completely dark. Wait, is this necessary for the backlight? Well, it's now... It's now disconnected. I'm flashing. What's the positive and negative sides? How am I gonna connect this again? I don't even know which side is it which. If I do it the wrong way, I hope they have reverse polarity protection. Otherwise it's fucked. But anyways, I will just try to remember. Okay, red side. The red side is just looking... The red side is on the right. Okay. There you go, we have... I don't know why I'm lagging so hard on this stream. Alright, we have it again. We have a... Shit, is this crashing again? It was working like 1 second ago. It's crashing again. Is this because of all these stuff that I'm trying to run here? Okay, I'm just gonna disable that. Yo, Saksham Sharma, I don't know how to say your name, but welcome. Did you release this time? Yes, I think I did. Yeah, I'm always running release now and it takes forever. Oh my god, such a pain. Okay, so give me advice. I'm gonna get my own ESP. Which one should I get? Should I get the C6 one? Is that the latest, like, and the fastest and the best one, or do you recommend something else? Because this is just taking forever. Look at me, like, just waiting for this. Takes like 20 seconds each time. Okay, let's see. Alright, it's crashing again. That's awesome. I mean, it was working 2 seconds ago. Tabs. Let me just try again. Oh man. Hey yo. What up man? What up Emirhan? Welcome. Hoş geldin. What's poppin'? We're just grinding in the embedded realm now. We have this little thing that's supposed to run rats. It's actually running rats, but it's crashing sometimes because of the stack size and giving me a stack overflow. There is similar dev board to this one, but a new version with better MCU and bigger screen. I want that. I have my end semester exam tomorrow for embedded systems. I am undergrad in electronics and communication. That's awesome. You should try out this thing. You should try out this thing. Alright, the tabs are working. but then it crashes. I'm gonna try to enable chart. I'm gonna try to enable chart. Let's see. Well, you got the idea. I'm not gonna work on this in the stream. Like I'm not gonna work on fixing it. Maybe I'll do that later. But yeah, this is a good source for, like, good source of inspiration for what I'm trying to build. I actually want to like run some chart stuff. Maybe what I can do is all right, I have an idea. I'll show it to you. Let me try this. If chart works, I'll be really happy because I'm using chart. Also, I don't get why this is like giving me Stack Overflow. Like, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing something that will actually overflow Stack. Okay, it's not working. When I press it, just restarts. It's just giving me Stack Overflow again. I cannot use the chart. Maybe if I disable this, I can use it. Let's try. This is the last time that I'm flashing this app. I'm very glad that I was able to remove the battery because it was just hanging with, you know, it was just like, it was a bit annoying. So chart is a problem, weird stuff. We're about to find out if chart is the problem or something else. I'm in C and networking nerd, but it looks cool though. Yep. By the way, thank you for trying out Shady CLI. They gave me some feedback regarding UX. That's good, man. Thanks for building them. I think I'll use them in my app at some point, or maybe steal your code. I don't know. I'll use them. Either way, it's using. You know, if I depend on it as a library, or if I depend on your code structure, it's using. So thanks for building. Don't make your app closed source because I said that. But yeah. All right. You're running. Oh, holy shit! This looks so good. All right. The problem is, I cannot use multiple apps. I can only use I can only run 2 apps, I think, because chart is working and it looks amazing. Look, this is fucking great. This is so good. Okay, thumbnail. I don't know what it says, but that's so cool, man. And you also have a pop-up too. Damn. That's so sexy. All right, it's running. Look, when I press this, you get a pop-up, and then it says "Lorem ipsum dollar serame" something. Yeah, like imagine having the audio visualizer running on this. Imagine that. Okay, it's running again. Maybe your ESP has like corrupted memory or something. I have this exact program running on 3 boards, so it's weird as fuck. I don't know, maybe. How do I even check that? But I mean, this was satisfying. This was worth it. All right, let me put my little chart, little audio stuff onto this thing now. All right, going back to my main app. I'm motivated now to build some small audio devices, maybe a simple sampler, for sure, man. Join us with Jay Gouda. We're just gonna do some music, module something together. I think. I don't even know the whole description of it, but it's gonna be some fucking cool shit. That's the way to put it. Alright, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna refactor the rest of my app to be able to use it in embedded context. Oh, what am I doing here? Yeah, I'm gonna go to here. I'm going to maybe we can make a granular sensor a bit straightforward to make. Yes, we can make something. I don't know what yet, but definitely. We need to brainstorm about this a little bit. Trinox, you're on our Discord, right? You can talk about it. But if you want a bigger font, these are under mousefoot fonts, and you can pass these to embedded backend config. That's cool. What do we have? What do we have as fonts? Embedded graphics Unicode fonts. Alright, cool. You can just like use them. That's good to know. Just join Discord community. I'm learning about USB drivers. That's cool. Alright, so I need to decouple the CPAL recorder logic from the actual TUI logic. So maybe I can modularize this a little bit. So maybe input RS and then UI RS. So input going to be, or just recorder or something, doesn't really matter. This is super work in progress, so I can always change it. I'm gonna put the recorder here. I'm gonna define these modules, recorder and UI, right? I'm gonna just put all the CPAL stuff here. Alright. Sorry, input, not recorded. And we're gonna go ahead what are we gonna do? These are the UI stuff, right? Transform FFT samples, Rust FFT. Okay, maybe transform or something. This is only doing FFT, so it should be good. Like, I can probably just define another module. Doesn't really matter, actually. We can always change stuff. This is like POC, right? Transform RS. Alright, put us in transform. Rust FFT stuff going into the transform module. Oh man, this code looks like I know what I'm doing, which is definitely not true. I don't know what I'm doing, but the code looks like that for some reason. Alright, transform, draw note. Alright, so I can create another. Okay, I have a UI module already. I'll just move everything to UI actually. Alright. Transform is now found. Just restart LSP. Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna just import everything from UI. I need to make them public though. Just make them public. Recorder. This is not public too, right? This is... yeah, make it public. Transform. This is also not public. Alright, it should run now. No. Main. Alright, handling events. That's we're not gonna do that in embedded context, but okay. Alright, it's still working. So I want to use something like there was one struct, right? What was it? Fetcher trait. I want to use something like this. Or maybe not. I can just use this probably, this channel, so I can save the samples, and yeah, let me do that actually. So what happened to the music? I like the cover art on this. So I need to save to a file, or line by line. I'm thinking, how can I do that? Read from a file every 100 millisecond in Rust. What? That's very stupid. Read line by line. The city is too small for the two of us, rats wipe. Yeah. Mock data. Not a receiver actually, I need a sender for this TX. What's the problem? Okay. Okay, let me actually do this. spawns a thread that sends mock data to the channel every 100 milliseconds. Maybe this time it'll... Yeah, there you go. So I'm gonna just remove the recorder. Let's see what's gonna happen. Recorder is not in scope. Well, I can just like define the sample rate. Recorder sample. Oh no, not the recorder. Yeah, what's the sample rate that I'm using actually? Let me print that. It's this number over here, so let's sample rate this, and now we can mock the data or use mock data and change the sample rate to all right. All right, let's see what's gonna happen. It's a bit of a stupid waveform. Not very realistic. Well, yeah, that's why I was thinking of reading from a file. That it would make this thing more realistic. But yeah, let me actually switch to my actual camera. Well, I can still try to put this on ESP. So maybe if I make this thing faster, it will look better. I don't know. I need some help here. Make this look better, like a sine wave or something. No, I don't. Fuck, no, I don't wanna. No, I take that back. I don't wanna complicate the code. Maybe this will be better. It's just going from bottom to top. It's just very boring, but whatever, I guess. Alright, maybe I should just record some samples. Let me just record some samples. I'm going to stdfs write to okay. Fs write, let's see. Yeah, I can just like samples txt and then just samples, and we can use like a node generator to have proper samples. Give me a second, let me find a website that I was using. I need to find it in my history. Online tone generator, okay. All right. Okay, I'm gonna talk a little bit just to make the samples more and diverse, and then this should be enough. All right, samples txt. There we go. We have the samples. So I'm thinking something like this. Const samples include string samples txt and use samples txt instead of this, instead of sending this data. That file contains stuff like something 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 something. Yeah, there you go. All right, let's just copy paste all of this. Really nice music, by the way. It's the definition of nice music. I can understand why all those input boxes of all AI apps so bad. I cannot paste code samples normally in Markdown there at all. What do you mean input boxes of all AI apps so bad? I didn't get your comment. So now if we call mock data, we should get like our samples. It's a bit slow. I don't know why it's like that. Oh, I don't have the sample. Oh, sample rate. I need to use a sample rate here. Use the sample rate. I don't know. This is not supposed to be perfect, by the way. This does not need to be perfect. It's just like some test data anyways. So anyways, I can work with this, I think. Or maybe, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna keep it like this. And we can probably commit this now. Oh, I don't want to add Twitter embedded yet. Add mock function or use mock data. Alright, let's merge the embedded project with this one. How should I do that? I'm just taking a look at stuff. Maybe first things first, I can go ahead and change this Twitter embedded to Twitter. And I'm gonna go ahead and what am I gonna do? Just gonna paste these stuff over here. Merge the dependencies. I think git ignore can be removed. I'm gonna remove this one. I'm gonna remove this one and just gonna move all the files from embedded into this directory. including these stuff. Then we can remove this directory. All right. Let me try to build it now. Let's see what's gonna happen. Oh no. Which crate is this? Signal hook registry. Cargo tree. Signal hook registry. I see red. This is cross term. Yeah, I see. TUI big text, TUI bar graph. Probably these ones, right? But why do we depend on cross term? Like, which one? Let me remove these. Do you mean for TUI big text? Because I'm already using 0.7.1. Oh, okay. Okay, I get this thing again. Just pin the dependency. Oh, come on. Paragraph has the same workspace if I recall correctly. Yeah, it also depends on... No, it's not depending on cross term. Alright, cross term is not in here anymore, so it should work. I hope. I mean, we're gonna see in a second. Alright, just kill cargo. Kill rust analyzer. Well, I don't want to kill these, but okay. Actually, kill all of them. Rust analyzer. Just kill everything. Rust analyzer. Okay, just build it now. Thank God. All right. It's a bit interesting that it can build cpal but not cross term. I mean, I would expect cpal to have a bunch of dependencies. That would be problematic. Alright, let's just copy things over, I guess. I need to define the modules too. Alright, that actually worked. Wow, okay. Then I'm gonna just copy stuff over. to the main. We don't have ratatouille. We have mouse food, prelude, mouse food, ratatouille, crosta. Oh, we don't need these. Sorry. Change SPI speed or it will lag as fuck. Okay. I can do that. Do I have threads in this environment? Because I'm using threads. But we're gonna find out, I guess. Maybe I'm asking stupid questions. Alright, let's just define that. Define that. Sorry, I'm asking just stupid beginner questions. And then we're just gonna do that. They map to free RT OS tasks. I don't even know what that is. Free toast. Oh, this thing? Oh, that's cool, man. I like this actually. Free toast. That's my favorite. Sorry. Free RTOS. RTOS. Looks cool. Okay, so this is like a operating system kernel something. I'm digging this Rat Detective Boogie album that you're playing. It's like stealing them with rat related messaging. It's so good, man. It's so good. Alright. Enough ratting. Let's get back to work. I'm just gonna delete this event stuff. Alright, moment of truth. Let's see if this is gonna work or not. Unreachable? What? What do you mean unreachable? What did I do? There's something wrong. I don't know. Alright, we're just gonna wait. I'm gonna, in the meantime, just switch to my other video because I need to plug this in at some point. I'm just gonna run it, guys. I'm just gonna. What could go wrong? Are you parking thread after infinite loop? Yes. Yes, sir. I'm just parking threads. I don't know. It's just, yeah, I can just remove it. I don't know why I'm doing that. Okay. Oh, Ratatouille is not. Alright. Ratatouille is not here. We gotta go to UI. Okay, this should work. Just run it, man. Just run it already. Let me see those charts. You told me to change the SPI thing, right? I totally forgot. Okay, what do I change it to? Where is it? I'm gonna change it to 42. $80? Okay. Why not 42? But okay, 80. 80 is fine, I guess. Alright, we're gonna wait like 2 minutes. If everything goes right, of course. But let's see. I'm actually gonna kill Rust Analyzer again. Guys, I really need a better laptop for doing all of these holy tasks, okay? Sponsor me on GitHub. Send me some cheese. Let me build it. But also I write only in this chain. I thought I already have it. Oh, okay. Right only. Something like this, I don't know. I can just take a look at your code. You probably have it here. Okay, right only true. I still have the text on this display. Look. Ratatouille. 100% mouse food fed rodent. Man, I want to click the links now. Make it run on a touchscreen so that I can click links. Like, click in terms of like actual click, you know, in real life click. IRL click. I need that. Alright, resisting terminal in it. Wow. How did I even... Didn't see that. Where is it? Init. Where am I initting it? Okay, here. Alright, just work, come on. Oh yeah, just go B. You can also change display setup, as you know, it's portrait mode. Dude, I just wanna see what's gonna happen. I'm so curious if my code that works in the terminal will actually work on this. If this like breaks and glitches, I'll be more happy probably, because that will look amazing. But let's see. Alright. Connecting. Flashing. Taking forever. Why the hell the size of this progress bar got bigger? It was like 400 if I remember correctly. It was not like... Oh, maybe that was the other project. But why? Like, why? Or maybe I'm just hallucinating or something. It's flashing so hard it broke your microphone. Really? Really? Wait, is it really broken or... Is it flashing to my microphone? What the hell is going on? My microphone is just rat powered now. Okay, I don't know what happened there. I need to watch the recording of the live stream. I'm curious what happened. It is flashing. It's grinding so hard right now. Come on. Okay. Shit, this is an infinite loop. It's crashing. Stack Overflow. What the hell, man? Not again. Okay, I know how to fix this at least. I mean, if this is the same issue or in some way, I don't know. Alright, we're gonna wait for 5 more minutes. I'm gonna wait for 5 more... Alright, how's it going, guys? Just tell me about yourself while we wait, you know? Let's have a little chat. How's everything? How's life? Brian, tell me about what's poppin'. It's gonna take forever, man. I'm actually working on the frequency spectrum. That's crazy, man. I would love love to see that fixed. Like that would be so good. I mean, if you're working on my project, I would really appreciate it. But if you're building some kind of other thing, that would be also nice. I can just take a look at that and get inspired. Yo, I'm making a web OS in Rust and TypeScript. Damn, a web OS? That sounds cool. Have you seen my project? Ratzilla, maybe we can collab, bro. If you know TypeScript and like if you know web stuff, definitely help me out on Ratzilla, man. I'm just losing my mind every time I'm working on that project. It's just, yeah, WebAssembly stuff is crazy. I'm working on this project. That's great. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. I'm about to push something that will probably give you a bunch of conflicts, though, because you know, just reorganized a bunch of things. Yeah. What? Yeah. Where's my moderator? I just wanna like very randomly say that. Like, where's my? Why do I feel like I'm drowning, guys? I'm literally just fading away from the screen. Dude is pushing to the limit. Hello, Rafa. What up, man? Welcome. What's poppin'? What's the TypeScript project? I'm here because of and signal processing music stuff. Alright, so... Alright, listen. Little pitch. We want to build websites with Ratatouille. I got you. Take a look at this. Ratzilla. Boom. You got a website with Ratatouille. So this is my project, and since you said you're doing web stuff, I was like, okay, maybe we can collab. You can help me out. You know, I need help, bro. I need help. I'm gonna be honest. I need help. Stuff I added in Ratatouille will give you conflicts. I'm a bit like, I'm a bit scared, but okay. Yeah, we'll push through. We'll grind. We'll make it happen. Love it. Take a look. That's good, Brian. That's good. Just let me know what you think, and I sometimes stream that. All right. Cool. Another freaking Stack Overflow. Another Stack Overflow. All right. What am I doing wrong? I mean, I think my ESP is just broken. At this point, I started to think that. Because, I mean, you know, is it because I'm transforming things? I'm gonna actually bring back the... Oh, I cannot do that. Shit. Let me disable this. Terminal draw. Let me just try to draw some basic render widget. Yeah, let me just try to render this. Maybe try to compile it. Either that or I don't know, IDF. The IDF thing is the framework that we're using, right? Maybe that's broken. I don't know. Yeah, it's once again taking forever. So this number dropped because why? You know, like, is it because I didn't change too much, or what's this number exactly? Is it like the blocks that it's flashing, or what is it? Doesn't say the name of the unit or whatever. All right, what is happening? Okay, I got a rectangle. So, well, it's a rectangle that is crashing, because now we're drawing a rectangle, but it's crashing at the same time. So I guess it's about this samples thing, I'm guessing. If I... Doesn't make sense though. Like, I'm not doing anything. Mock data. Maybe if I turn this off, it will work. So annoying, man. I have a crashing rectangle, guys. It's blinking. Alright, we're flashing again. Oh my god. You know what? I'm gonna show you something. Wait, don't go anywhere. Do you guys know what this is? Okay, it's not crashing anymore. Cool. I have a stable rectangle. So this is a microcontroller, and I was like, I started out with these stuff. It's called PIC something. It's from microchip whatever, right? And I was flashing these things, and it was like it's freaking instant almost. Or maybe like, I don't know, 5 seconds. So I'm not used to these slow ass speeds. I mean, you're gaining some speed from the Rust code and like stuff like that, but like, you know, it's kind of annoying to wait. Where's my mock data thing? I'm just gonna change the mock data function to not read from a file, but like just generate some samples. Maybe this will work. Do I need to use interrupts for this? Like, you know, just use interrupts and get samples with an interrupt or something? That doesn't make sense. I need a bigger ESP. I need more RAM. I need more everything. Just maximize the cheese. Just maximize everything. It's a crazy ass mix, man. All right. Yeah, it's once again just rebooting. Memory allocation of whatever bytes failed. Okay, this is interesting. I don't have enough memory. I guess I don't have enough memory. All right. For this function, I'm getting so make this small. Yeah, just make it smaller. Just reduce the sample size or whatever. Okay, we can try again. All right. No. Is it crashing? Yeah. Oh wait, when you're launching threads, you can set the stack size of thread. Okay, how do I do that? Set the stack size of thread. Okay. Okay, let's just try it like this. Oh, it didn't work. Duration. This code is a mess. Are you getting memory allocation failed or stack overflow? Oh yeah, you're right. Yo, what up, man? Welcome to the stream. I'm getting. What am I getting? It's a good question. I think I'm getting memory allocation. Change the stack size. Dude, I really need a bigger ESP. Like, this is just fucking pain. This is just so painful. Alright, it's just crashing. Just crashing left and right. Memory location. I mean... Oh wait, is this because... Oh, I'm reading this file. That's why. Am I fucking stupid? Maybe now it'll work. I was just reading a huge file into the program as a constant. Is that why? Probably. I'm stupid. Let's see if we're gonna get it now. Yeah, my bad. I didn't realize it. I was just like tweaking the thread, whatever, and stuff like that. But now it's gonna work probably. No. Yeah, it's just fucking failing. And I'm getting like blinking rectangle. Dude. Okay, you know what? Stack size 100 or like 10. The buffer just gonna 10, just 10 numbers. And what else? Yeah, just make everything so small, you know, and remove the samples txt. And just make everything super small. Let's see. What's the beefiest ESP that I can get? Like, what's the maximum memory and other stuff? I'm gonna get it. S3 with PS RAM. Okay. ESP S3. Where's the screen? I need a screen too, right? Okay, it's now working. That's good. I can now draw, I guess. Let's see what kind of a overflow we're gonna get this time. You can see the exact mode. Okay, cool. I'll get that. I need that. Alright, this time I think it will work. I mean, if the twee stuff won't crash. Crystal frequency is 40 megahertz. Flash size is 16 megabytes. Features, MAC address. I just realized I exposed my MAC address of my ESP32. I should probably delete this stream after I finish it. Alright, what is going on? It's just crashing, yay! Now we're getting a stack overflow. Okay, I'm gonna just comment this out and just run it again. But why, dude? I'm not even like, what am I doing? Oh, is it because I'm transforming samples in? Yeah. It shows 16 megabytes. What do you mean 16 megabytes? Your ESP is 4 megabytes. I don't know, man. It shows 16. I have no idea. I'm using the one that you gave me. Okay, this is bad because I think it crashes because of the transform stuff. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna just disable all the drawing methods and just gonna run it like this and see what's gonna happen, because if this is crashing because of the transform stuff, like this FFT calculations, I'm gonna just get a gun and like load it with 5 bullets, you know, like a revolver, load it with 5 bullets and just hit the freaking thing and just see it like spin, rotate, and then when it stops, I'm gonna just point it to my head. Anyway, sorry. I'm gonna be really mad if this is failing because of freaking FFT, because FFT is what I need for freaking signal or waveform shit. If I'm not running that, how am I supposed to show things? There must be some mini FFT crate or something. Okay, it's actually not. Okay, oh, that's a relief. Oh, that's a relief. It's not failing because of FFT. So we're actually able to transform new. Okay, run it again without the note. Maybe it was failing because of the note thing, but draw waveform. This should just work. I mean, I'm not doing many things in here. Or maybe, is it because like I'm cloning something, or like, I don't think so. Wait, this is main 2. I should probably just remove main 2. It's confusing. Alright, going back here. We're only drawing the waveform now. I mean, we're supposed to see some chart. Let's see. Is it possible that you gave me a ESP with 16 megabytes of flash? I took the one with the yellow case. I don't know if the yellow, or like, it's not yellow, it's gold. If the gold ones are 16 megabytes or something, I don't know. Alright, it's crashing. I don't fucking know why it's crashing, but no way they were all 4 megabytes. I don't know then. Bro, what am I gonna do now? Dre waveform. it's super hard to debug as well. I mean, I can just comment things out and see if like something is causing a stack overflow or something. Maybe check your settings. What settings? Oh my god. I mean, half of my time is just wasted waiting for this. Data points. I don't think this is failing because of this, by the way. Maybe we're getting some kind of a ratatouille. I don't think so though. So if everything goes right, I should be seeing nothing. Yes, that worked. That worked. I'm seeing nothing, so... Okay, I'm gonna just go very slowly, or maybe I can just do this. Alright, build again. Is there like a monitor thing? Or like, how do I even debug programs? Can I see the memory, like memory usage and stuff like that somehow while things are running? Like a profiler type shit. You will need a physical debugger. Some dev boards have this built in. Yeah, I see. Alright. It's not crashing. So the actual thing that is crashing is the... What happened to the music? The actual thing that is crashing is the music. Alright, let's just change this. Good rat gone bad. So yeah, just rendering this widget is just crashing things, which doesn't make sense. Is it because we show the lines that crash? Right now it doesn't crash because it's not rendering anything, but when I render something it crashes, like it says stack overflow or whatever. So I don't know, maybe it's because it overflows from the like area or something, or it doesn't fit well, or it tries to allocate something while it's doing that, or I don't know. Or maybe too many samples or too many data points. I can simplify this graph though. I can use a line here probably. Can try that. I mean, this ESP is not good for TUIs, I think. Is this render or the chart new? Good question. I think, yeah, I can try. Give me a second. So it's okay. Let's just try to see if this is the chart new. The message or like the error is just stack overflow in the task main as detected. But you're actually you have a chart right here, and it seems more complex than mine. So I don't know. What kind of dot and braille? You're using like marker. Okay, data set marker. Graph type. You're not setting a graph type. I can just disable that too. So let's see if it's crashing at chart new. No, it's crashing at render widget. It's crashing at render widget. Draw waveform. Okay, it's calling this and crashing at render widgets. Doesn't make sense. Why? Is it because of the area? Oh man, I don't know. You have some massive problems. I had no problems with chart. I'm really thinking it's some setup stuff. But your chart was working fine, you know? I don't know. I'll try to give you some details about my setup later, but I'm really tired now. At least I tried. Yeah, but you had problems running the whole app for some reason. Yeah, you're right. Alright, I'm gonna leave this here for today, I think. If you're interested in the code, I haven't pushed anything. Maybe I should create a draft PR or something for this to not lose progress. Yeah, let me just do that, and maybe you can try it for me on your own setup. Push this. Yeah. I'll do that now. It's super bad code, but whatever. Yeah, I'm gonna keep all of these stuff here. Let me clean this up a little bit. You need to comment out the target there, by the way. I did some progress on it, change the UI, but that's cool, man. I appreciate that. I'll take a look. Send me a PR and yeah, I'll take a look. Yeah, that's that. All right, let me create a branch. Oh, I didn't remove that file. Oh, okay, I did. Add. No, turn this. Integrate with mouse foot. My terminal is broken as well. Look, it was supposed to show block drawing characters, but it was not. Okay, I didn't switch to a new branch. That was a bit bad. Mouse food. All right, there you go. Create draft. There you go. Okay, looks good. Perfect. All right, guys. I think I'm done for today. Holy shit, this is the worst video ever. Okay, look at the difference. All right. Oh yeah, I forgot. Totally forgot. We were reading a scientific article about why can't rodents vomit. A comparative behavioral, anatomical, and physiological study. The vomiting reflex is documented in numerous mammalian species, including primates and carnivores. This is very important, guys. So rest of the stream, we're just gonna take a look at this and read it. I'm thinking of taking my time with this, so I'll be here for at least 5 hours, so feel free to stick around. If not, please leave the stream, but this is gonna be fun, so just stay here. Just kidding, but yeah, I mean 5 hours is not enough for this, to be honest. Rodentia. Musculus. This looks like this sounds like me, because like it's musculus, bruh. Dude, it's not musculus. Come on, where's the muscles? Where's the muscles? Musculus. You're just capping, bro. You're just capping. Where's the muscles? It's kind of. Oh, look at it, just eating potato or what? Musculus. Microtostone sandy. It's micro, so it's supposed to be small. It's not small. These rats are just like scamming people with their names. It's not small. Ratus norvegius. Okay, Norway rat. Norwegian rat, guys. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Wait, Aplodontia rufa is beaver. It's not even a rat. Okay, whatever. Anatomical measures of the esophagus, diaphragm, and stomach. Okay. Damn. Midbrain. It's just showing the teeth. It'll be a blown rat. It's just showing the teeth. What? Where's the brain? Is the brain a teeth? Damn, they have all the mechanical shit figured out for the rat. I feel bad for the fella. Damn. Rodentia. Mouse, rat, and musk shrew. What is musk shrew? It's just rat, but like with the longer nose. It's kind of cool though. I like it. I like it. I'll fuck with it, man. Not gonna lie. He's kind of cool. He's kind of chill. Look, he's kind of chill. Like, yeah, he has all these like hair and like kind of a long nose, but it's kind of chill. I like him. I like him. I will be friends with him. I'll be friends with him. Damn. Musk shrew. Okay. They visualized all kind of shit. That's cool. That's cool. Some bar charts going on. Some bar charts. More bar charts. Good shit, man. Oh, that's it. Okay. So, all right. So let me just summarize it. This conversation in ChatGPT is just cursed at this point. I'm asking Rust, and now I'm about to ask a question about like rats. Okay. Okay, summarize why rats can not vomit. Give me a summary, man. Wait, is it like too long? Damn. Alright, where's the funding statement? Results. Maybe just ask this part, I don't know. Summarize why rats cannot vomit. Yeah, it's more like a anatomical thing. Okay, that's good to know. I guess that's a good thing to know, you know, like, guys, rats cannot vomit. All right, so if you vomit, you're not a rat. So that's how we check if you're a rat or not. Okay, mouse. Now, important question. Mouse versus rat versus musk shrew. Alright, guys. We're about to find out. Deer mouse, meadow vole, hairy-tailed mole. Well, I asked about rats and mole. Passed the rat check. Alright, that's good. This is very interesting. This is more interesting than anything, any programming language or any technological thing can offer, man. This is like more interesting than anything, I'm telling you. Damn. Alright, this guy is super chill, look. This guy is super chill. Alright, let's check mouse versus rat. Science peak at this point, yeah. Oh man. Who the fuck cares about mouse versus rat, dude? Like, they both like same shit. Probably not. Mouse, smaller head comparative to the body size. This is mouse. A rat, larger head comparative to body size. So if you have a big brain, you're a rat. Boom. Got him. Smaller feet that are proportionate to the body size. It says mouse. Larger claw. So if you have big brain and big feet, you're rat. If you have small brain and small feet, you're mouse. Thinner tail, thicker tail. And also, so rat is just bigger. Rat is just bigger. Alright, rat versus mouse comparison. What is this image, man? Oh, mice. House mouse. Norway rat, roof rat, house mouse. Let's check. Damn, Norway rat is big, bruh. Here in Morocco, most live at home, rats live with the server system. A mouse rat lives at the home. Right, okay. Yeah, I mean, here we just live on the streets as rats, you know. Rats are just bigger. Do you know that mouse hate mint? What? Mouse mint? No. Mouse hates mint. Oh, yeah, I do hate mint. Right, you're right. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, I don't like mint at all. It's just bad. It's not my thing. I don't fuck with it. Alright, rat is just bigger. Guys, I'm gonna go. It was nice, but I think it's time for me to grind in another dimension. So thanks for tuning in. We kind of play around with ESP. I'm gonna try to fix it later, but yeah. I'll see you in the next one, I guess. I don't know what to say. So tired after all this waiting for Flash. Thanks everyone for tuning in. Trinox, J Guda, Wells, Orhun, my man, Rafa, Brian, Transit Strike. I don't know, so other people who joined, and shout out to all the lurkers, man. Love you all. Love you all. Take care. You know, stay with, you know, like, I don't know, stay rusty or some shit. I don't know, insert some goodbye quotes here. I don't know, write PHP, have fun. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.